Dear Father, I confess my fears to you. Help me overcome them by trusting in your presence and your power that you make available in every task. Help me worry less about committing on my end and focus more on amending my weaknesses and submitting to your plan. In Jesus' name.
Hey, yo, Nash.
Amen.
You go crazy.
Say they asking what the fuck I'm out here. Think I might just pop these pills. That's the only way my pain heal. Get rich by mama new crib. Think I might move out to the hills. But they told me don't show no fear. In the bricks it was hard out there. In the hood dope boys they will. I'ma just sip this drink and smoke this bud till my pain get all clear. Went from selling my clothes to fucking these hoes. My lifestyle got so real. All my diamonds so cold. My first chain go. Used to buy my jewelry from sis. Used to sleep on the floors. I now they got cold. Only had one cover the shift. Got a yellow tone bitch so real. Shit, my child life ain't there. Turn my head like I ain't really care. In the trap, it was birds they will. Court date came up, he won't dare. He got sentenced 3 months in jail. Hurt me deep when mama shed tears. I couldn't stand my life, so I kneel. I don't even know how I got here. My knees don't got a dad, that's there. I'ma show it a good way to live. I'm just trying to find a way to live. Me and bro trying to beat up them bricks. Growing up, I ain't had no sense. In the hood, 5 bills made you rich. Trying to ice out my new bitch. I been chillin' on my bed, asking God, am I insane? Used to be nice to these hoes, but then I found my own lane. Used to wonder why I'm different, but now I'm glad it ain't the same. I was looking for a war and I heard God took me away. That was on my chain, the world still cold. Ooh, I'ma put bread on the toast. Bad bitch, she on go. Ooh, I'ma ask God keep my soul. Ooh, remember bad days I was broke. Ooh, used to be scared to talk, now I don't. Ooh, all my life I've been alone. I'ma still remain on 10 toes. Ooh, you put me in the past, still give you attention. Put my pen in the mud, then I mix it. Perkins just in my body, it's itching. Hella niggas always said I won't make it. Care what they said, I stayed on my pivot. And my mind kept saying, get the riches. Hang around a fake, that's why I'm so distant. Every time I get a new pack, I gotta ship it. It was so many days I still in that kitchen. I wake up in the morning, grandma, I be missing. Remember some youngins just running the trenches. 36 in the car and we one for missing. Gotta be praying that you can forgive me. On my worst days, you was always with me. I'ma do the shit for them days, pop a clothes. I'ma tears in the dope in the days I was trapping. I just pray that grandma can forgive me for smoking. I had me a dream with hella money and 2 bad twins. Put this on my soul, I ain't never quitting rapping. I know my mama ain't expect me to be trapping.
We fucking after show. Go, bitch, go, Deeno.